From Chicago in the 60s to Arizona now, TOMAR is honored to celebrate over 55 years of U.S.-based design, engineering, and production in the industrial, emergency, preemption, off-road, and custom markets. During this time, TOMAR has successfully provided countless durable, high-performance solutions to OEMs and end users, enabling them to confidently enter the marketplace, assured that their TOMAR products are manufactured to the highest quality standards. We take great pride in collaborating with these community leaders, confident that the solutions we offer contribute to safeguarding property and preserving lives as integral components of TOMAR's envelope of safety. TOMAR thanks you for your support of our family-owned and operated business since 1969.